All right, party people, welcome back to Crushing Ag Live and learning on TikTok. And today, one of the most common questions I get is soldering, how to solder. You may not want to try it. It might seem overwhelming. It's really not that bad. This is how I do it. There's 1,000 ways to skin a mongoose, but I think everybody can do it if I can do it. So I'm going to share what I know. If you like the video, hit the plus button. If it's on YouTube, everything's down below. Check it out. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. And let's get to it. All right, everybody, I've got my wire set up in my vise clamp, as you can tell. And you can see how I've got the wire skinned back and twisted around nice and tight. So what we're gonna do is just pre-tin on the iron just a little bit. And then once our iron's up to about 800 degrees, we're gonna start just heating up that wire. You don't solder to the iron, you solder to the wire. See how that just kind of smokes right in there? Kind of clean up any dribbles. And we've got a finished product. And I know here at Crushing Ag, we make a lot of harnesses and do a lot of harness repairs. So one of the things we like to do to make sure that we don't get anything in this nice solder connection here that we just made, we're gonna slide a good piece of double wall heat shrink right across that little fella and throw a little heat to it. You can use a heat gun. I use a torch just because I think it's faster. I also use all cross-link wire, so I know I'm not gonna burn the wire. And once you get it done, you'll see that little bit of ooze just come right out of there at the ends. And that way you know for a fact you've got a good tight connection. Anything else you want to learn, give us a shout. crushingag.com. Email us info@crushingag.com. Hit the plus button or the like button. We appreciate the follows. And whatever else you guys want to learn, shoot us a message. We appreciate it. Have a good day.